Owen, what happened to all the trains?
There in the closet is the other stuff.
Do you want to build a track?
Yes.
Okay, show me where they are.
They're in a closet.
Okay, lead the way.
Yeah. They're just in my bedroom. In the closet. I'll show you there. Hey, it's just in there.
In where?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, there they are. Hey, Owen, do you want to try and build one off of the train table?
No. We should just build that in the bedroom.
Oh, in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's bring them back. Alright, that's a good idea.
Oh, no.
Hey, look at this cool piece. We don't have this one at home. It's like an X. So when you go this way, you could either go straight or you can go that way.
Oh, we have.
Yeah, we do have a piece like that. Look. Where's
I
some...
found a napkin.
Oh, neat.
Cute. Oh. You can just use a chair. You can use a chain jack to get
There's a slant.
if you can do
Let's have a really big...
lobby checks.
Whoa! Those are so neat!
You should put them on the bridge.
Yeah, maybe at the bottom of the bridge?
No, you should just put them on the bridge.
What do you mean?
You should put them on a new bridge.
What new bridge?
No, you need to put
Okay, show me what you want to do.
you should just put two things here. You need to do this. That's all you need.
But I don't think it'll go down very well. See, it's all wobbly.
Oh.
So why don't we do it on the floor and you can like turn it in funny ways, like make a little curve or you can make a little S shape, like a squiggle.
Or you can just
Or you can make it straight. Whatever you think.
No. See, it bumps into a bed. And a chain could bump
Oh
into
no. They're gonna bump into the bed. Uh-oh.
and then you don't have any more pieces. The building was ding dong, so a chains don't go there. Hey, now go into there.
Well, that might be fun to go under that table. Okay, I want to do a little splitter here so that one way goes to the bed, right?
Yeah.
Bumps into the bed, but then you could also turn and go the other way to go under the bridge. So let's see if we can find a splitter. Good.
Yes.
Here's one. Yes. That's perfect. Make that go there. There we go. We did it.
Is it Jack then?
Not quite. Look at all the pieces we have left.
I just need to put this pillow and put this pillow in.
Oh, you hid the pillows. That's funny.
In there.
Oh, nice.
That's, I don't
Okay,
want.
that looks good.
I'll just,
And then I think once you go under the bridge, you can split, and this one's gonna go back under the bridge with some short curves.
I'm going to just,
this cool piece too. And then there's just this little station. That could just go anywhere. Let's put it right here. Let's dump it. There it is. Got it. Okay, now these are technically roads, but I think we're just going to pretend they're tracks because we did a road one last time and it was kind of cool, but we don't have that many tracks, so it's not that fun. Okay, also I need to figure out how to put this one in because I think it would be really cool. Okay, I have an idea, but I don't know if we have enough tracks, so we'll have to see. You know what we should do, Owen? We need to go and get those ones that are upstairs in the living room.
Yeah.
Could you go get that bucket?
Yeah.
Thanks.
But you found a picture. Yeah.
There we go. Nice. Look, Owen, I'm using the cool X piece.
We should tape this block on here.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Or
Gotta use tape, eh?
we need to put a green one. I need to
Here, oh, at the station. That's where perfect spot for the X thing.
Grandma, I need
Of course, you can't get through a train track without tape.
a block to go on the yellow line.
Oh my goodness, I have so many little curves left. It's so different from our house where we have so many, or we don't have very many little curves at our house, right? It's almost too many here. I'd rather have more straight pieces. But that's okay.
Daddy,
Oh! There's the tape! Rolling in!
we just need to keep a block. Very simple.
Oh, the tree is stuck in. Good. Okay.
Now we just need tape to get a block.
Got it. Ooh, it's gonna go almost to the bed. But then we'll do some quick turns.
Oh, look right. Turn on.
Let's do some more quick turns over here.
Ding ding. I need to get okay. Oh,
Okay, that looks good. And there we go. I think we're done. Yep, okay, good. We've got our little crashing into the bridge. So you can also go around.
I found a cave.
Oh, we didn't put this piece in.
Ding ding.
Oh, we'll put it right here. That'll be a good spot.
Ding ding.
Right in the middle of town. The museum. We just need a little piece. Maybe this one will work.
There.
Oh, yeah, here, I'll take this out. Then it'll work. There we go. Oh, good idea with the tree. Oh, the box doesn't fit though. Maybe we should take the box off and put something else in.
Yeah. There's another tree.
Yeah, here's another tree.
Yeah, you should tape them.
Well, I don't know if you need to tape them if you can stick them in.
You need to just tape them so they can be a fit.
Or do you want the dinosaur car?
Oh, but you need to just tape this like this. That's a
Oh, because it doesn't stay?
yeah, but
Sure.
you should just do this.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea. All right.
Like
There's
this
the tape.
tree.
Well, here, yeah, you can take the box off. Remember, because the box didn't fit.
You should do some. And you should do another one.
Okay. Now, let's see how it goes. Go ahead, Douglas.
Do, 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 do.
Woo!
Ding, ding, ding. Another tree is coming. So this tree is going.
Stopping at the museum. Oh, the other train is coming. Cool.
Yeah!
Can we turn the sound on in the cave?
No!
Okay.
That's not a good idea. And then I'll be scared.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, noise.
Oh, I'm scared of the noise. That's okay.
I put my tails there.
Keep going. There he is, coming out of the tunnel. Around the curve.
Not.
Which way? You could go on this track now. Go on the wobbly track. Nope. But you get to go up this cool ramp thing.
Yeah, but he already did it. Oh no, fixing.
Oh no. Woo, he almost got derailed. Alright, are you going under the bed? No, he's on the wobbly track headed towards.
There's another over there. Yeah, two.
Oh yeah, two of the little blockade things.
No, Robbie track.
Oh,
We have
wobbly
two Robbie
Oh,
tracks.
two wobbly tracks. Yes, two wobbly tracks.
I need to just pick.
Well, that's pretty fun. A nice track in the bedroom at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Super fun, eh, Owen? Yeah.
I need to pick this.
Well, we're gonna keep playing. See you next time.
No, not